Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my sofa in beautiful Barcelona. As usual, I'm Daniel. This is Learn Spanish with Daniel. Today, I wanted to talk about a little grammar point that you can use to sound like a excellent high-level Spanish speaker. First, though, I wanted to apologize. I haven't been on this channel much recently. I've been traveling a lot. I went to India. I got married in India to an Indian. It was a whole thing. Then I was in the UK for a few weeks and, finally I'm back and I wanted to give some attention to my little Spanish-speaking community here. So, today I wanted to talk about acabar de hacer algo. The verb acabar. Let me fix my hair. It's going to bother me. The verb acabar is a very common verb in Spanish. It's used for a lot of different things. I think we could probably do a whole video about many different uses of acabar. When we talk about acabar de hacer algo, what it means is you have just done it. It is a recent thing that happened, or you just did it. It just happened. So we're gonna conjugate it a little bit, but first, let's just do it as I just did something. What we do is we use acabo de, this is I just, and then we use another verb in infinitive for what you did, what you just did. So I could say acabo de comer, I just ate, or I have just eaten, if you prefer. In British English, they would tend to translate this as I have just eaten. In American English, I just ate. In any case, it is a recent thing that I did. Acabo de comer. Acabo de despertarme. I just woke up, or I've just woken up, if you prefer. Acabo de despertarme. Acabo de llegar. I just arrived, or I just got here. Acabo de llegar. Acabo de hablar con Maria. I just talked to Maria. I just spoke with Maria. Or I have just spoken with Maria, if you prefer. Acabo de hablar con Maria. And acabo de tomarme un café. I just had a coffee. Or I have just had a coffee. Acabo de tomarme un café. All that is stuff that I just did, but you can also conjugate it and make it about other people just doing things. You conjugate acabar according to the person. And we don't do much conjugation on here, but this is a regular verb. It is an AR verb, a regular AR verb, which is the simplest, easiest type of verb to conjugate. So we have acabo, acabas, acaba, acabamos, acabáis, acaban. That is, yo acabo, tú acabas, él acaba o ella acaba o usted acaba. Nosotros acabamos, vosotros acabáis, ellos acaban. So that's just the table of conjugations there. You can just, repeat these things until they stick in your mind. Acabo, acabas, acaba, acabamos, acabáis, acaban. There you go. So let's just do a few examples of other grammatical persons. Acabas de llegar. Did you just arrive? Or have you just arrived? Acabas de llegar. That is you. Generally, we don't put the subject pronoun in these sentences unless you need to for some reason. But acabas de llegar, we already understand it's you because the as on the end of it tells us it's you. Did you just arrive? Acabas de llegar. We have Maria acaba de dejarse con el novio. Maria just broke up with her boyfriend. Maria acaba de dejarse con el novio. We have Paco acaba de mudarse a Londres. Paco just moved to London. Paco acaba de mudarse a Londres. Those are third person singular. We have acabamos de volver de las vacaciones. We just returned from vacation. Acabamos de volver de las vacaciones. Another question. ¿Acabáis de salir del trabajo? did you in plural just leave work or finish work? Acabáis de salir del trabajo. The vosotros form like this is what we use in Spain. When I was a kid growing up in Phoenix and they taught us Spanish, they didn't even test us on the vosotros form because in theory we were never going to be in Spain, so it would not be important. When I moved to Spain, I was kind of annoyed that there was this whole other conjugation that I didn't know. But yeah, acabáis de salir del trabajo. We have, after that, acaban de recibir una mala noticia. They have just received some bad news. Acaban de recibir una mala noticia. So that's all the different grammatical persons, I guess we could say. Grammatical people, I don't know. The only other thing that I wanted to talk about today is the past. Because, acabo de despertarme is I have just woken up. But what if I had just woken up in the past when something else happened? In that case, it's pretty easy. This is a past conjugation, acababa. We'll just do one of the conjugations because yo acababa and él, ella, usted acababa are the same conjugation in the end. Acababa de despertarme cuando recibí tu mensaje. I had just woken up when I received your message. In that case, we have a past acababa de despertarme, and we have another past, which is the pretérito indefinido, imperfecto. God, okay, I apologize. I don't remember the names of the verb tenses. I'll let you know when I teach it on video. But there are two different types of past tense. Acababa de despertarme cuando recibí tu mensaje. The recibí thing is something that happened at a specific moment after I had just woken up. So that's the deal there. Another example, ella acababa de salir del trabajo cuando le llamó Paco. She had just left work when Paco called her. Ella acababa de salir del trabajo cuando le llamó Pablo. Le llamó Pablo is the same, past tense. And the acababa is the other past tense. This is a long story. I remember a very long, series of lessons about when to use these two past tenses. It's a big topic, but just trust me. That's how you would say that sentence. Finally, last example of the day. Llegamos a la playa justo cuando acababa de llover. We reached the beach, we arrived at the beach just when it had stopped raining. When it had just stopped raining. Fíjate, or notice we have the justo there, which also makes it more precise. Llegamos a la playa justo cuando acababa de llover. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. I will teach you more about the verb acabar in another lesson here. It generally means, finish something, but I think it probably has a whole bunch of other uses we could talk about. I'll check it out on word reference. Nothing more for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have a great day wherever you are in the world. And until next time, from beautiful Barcelona, hasta la próxima. Bye.